Welcome to beautiful Flathead Lake in northwest Montana. The biological community of the lake has been greatly altered by non-native species. One such non-native species, lake trout, is being aggressively removed by the Confederated Salish and Kootenai tribes in an effort to restore native fishes. To offset the cost of the program and also to use the fish that are caught, the tribes both sell fish fillets and supply local food pantries. Our project stems directly from this management action. First, we are asking, how does removal of lake trout affect mercury concentrations in the food web? To do this, we will estimate a trophic magnification slope for methylmercury. Changes in this slope suggest that changes in the food web are driving variation in methylmercury concentration.